Oh man, so I just woke up. It's a Thursday here in Cabo, Mexico. As you can see, this is the view from the little resort here. I wanted to take this video to talk about how you can make money from places like this and ultimately make money on vacation. So, give you guys a quick tour. Just got here yesterday, so I don't really know it too well, but see down there's a couple restaurants at this resort. You got this little like grass area where you can play basketball on the grass, which is not the best idea, but you make it work. You got the beach out there. You can see the sand. There's like a big pool over here, and then a bunch of other restaurants. And then there's like a spa thing as well. I haven't used that yet, but this is really cool in the ocean. There's like a bunch of whales here, apparently. And this is just like a Pacific Ocean thing, but there's like a ton of whales. And if you look out there for long enough, you'll start seeing like them blowing water out of their blowholes, which is really, really cool. But anyway, like, how can you work and make money from places like this? Because I'm gonna wake up today and I'm still gonna make money even though I'm not gonna work today. You know, I'll film this video and probably text a couple leads back, but it's not like I'm gonna be banging the phones or doing anything crazy, to be honest, but also make some money. So there's a couple ways that you can make money on vacation. One, I mean, the most obvious way is like, I could sit here on this balcony and I could make dials today from here. And I could call leads, set appointments, close deals, and I could 100% do that, right? And there's no reason I couldn't, right? The only reason I'm not is just because I'm here for a conference, and as an agent, right, you get to go on a lot of carrier trips and you have conferences all the time. But I kind of just want to, hang out and network and meet different people today. So that's the reason I'm not going to be like dialing. But you could 100%, because of the nature of the business we're in, you could 100% do that from here or anywhere else. The other way is actually what I'm doing right now, which is filming a video and creating content and talking about what I'm doing, right? And you may be saying like, how on earth is that going to make you money? Well, if you think about why you got into this business or why you want to get into any business, it's because of the lifestyle that it can allow you to live, right? Now, when I filmed this video and when I gave you guys a little tour and show you the ocean and tell you about, whales blowing water out of a blowhole, whatever it is, right? You guys are thinking like, I want to live that lifestyle. I can imagine myself doing this same thing. And then you're going to say, cool, what is Tim doing and how can I do a similar thing? Which basically positions whatever I'm doing as possibly a better opportunity than whatever you're doing, right? So I'll explain the point I'm making. If you start, selling insurance and going on trips and working from cool places and traveling and, maybe you win a carrier trip and you do something cool, like you need to freaking film it and document it and post it on social media. That could be YouTube, which is my social media of choice because I think Instagram is like cocaine. It's very addicting. But YouTube, you should post things on Instagram, and you should share what you're doing with other people because it makes you a more attractive character, and it makes it very easy to build a team, recruit other agents, and get them to want to do what you're doing, right? And so the other thing, right, those are two ways. So again, I could work from anywhere because we can work remote, and whenever I film myself doing this, I'm also building up an audience and I'm building interest in what I'm doing. The third way that you can make money while on vacation. Sorry guys, my throat was getting extremely dry. I had to go grab some water. And I had a lot of sake at sushi last night, so I need to hydrate. But anyway, the third way is basically leveraging other people's time and work, right? So one of the beautiful things about building a business is that you don't have to do everything, right? I don't do my own bookkeeping. You don't have to call your leads at a certain point. You don't have to sell every policy. You don't have to answer all the client questions. And when you bring on more agents that work under you, or, you know, I also have a whole marketing company as well. I don't do everything in the marketing company. I would like implode. I couldn't possibly do it. So I have people that will take calls for me. I have people that will run all of the agents' ads, like you guys. Like if you come to work with us, I have a team that runs your ads. I have a team that helps with support. I have coaches that literally guide agents through like the exact process of what they need to do to succeed. And so when you leverage other people's time and you're not always in the weeds and the only person who is working actively to provide your income, it gives you so much more freedom, peace, tranquility, and times to enjoy life and do things like this. I think it just all will. So yeah, wanted to film this quick video, just kind of open your eyes up to what's possible. Like, you know, everyone thinks that you can only make money if you're sitting down at your desk, you know, and I have a nice office. I like working from home, but I also like getting out and experiencing life and being in the sunshine and looking at the ocean, and I can still make money while doing this. So hopefully this opened up your eyes and kind of inspired you to start working harder while you're at your office so that you can also make money while on vacation.